best part about being really stupid is you don't have any brains to eat when the zombie apocalypse happens.
89.5
Rocks. All the clothes hanging on your new home gym told us they'd fit much better if you stopped eating like a goddamn hippo.
Stop eating everything.
89.5
Rocks.
Hello, everyone. This is Paul Sapira, and you're listening to DJ Tommy G, the Hitman, at 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Thank you for listening.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio, final stretch of this radio show, 12:24 on the dot. People having lunch right about now. Happy celebration of your lunch. Masayang panananghalian sa inyong lahat. And malapit na, it's coming nearer and nearer. August 16, the 78th Feast of San Roque Caracol Festival. All right, and ongoing right now from August 7 to 15 actually, the Novena Mass every 5 p.m. at the San Roque Chapel. Novena Mass for the Feast of San Roque, okay? So on August 16, first we will be having the morning Mass at 8 a.m. at the San Roque Chapel. Here's the detailed schedule. And then after the Mass, 9 a.m., we will be having the street dance, okay? Street dancing parade from San Roque Chapel papuntang Subic Gym. Ayan. Okay, alam niyo naman yung Caracol, sumasayaw yan, you know, habang nagmamarcha, habang pumaparada, everyone is gonna be dancing, the participants, okay? And that's at 9 a.m., okay? After the 8 a.m. Mass. And it will lead to the Subic Gym, okay? And at the Subic Gym, at around 10 a.m., we will start with the street dance competition proper. 10 a.m., Subic Gym, Street Dance Caracol Festival. Okay, so see you guys there. It's open to the public. If you guys want to be part of it, mass muna, magmisa muna. Everyone's welcome to attend the mass, and everyone's also welcome to join in the parade while dancing. Makisayaw kayo, di ba? Mga mahihilig sumayaw. And then the dance competition open for everybody as well. You guys can watch the dance competition as it happen. Okay? So 2 categories, school category and open category. Okay? Sa open category, pwedeng sumali sila Ma'am Jane. Tsaka everybody sa Optimize, no? Sayaw-sayaw kayo, ha? Dahil ang premyo lang naman is 30,000 pesos lang naman for the grand winner. And then merong may first runner-up, second runner-up prizes din. Okay? Hindi ko alam kung magkano yung sa first runner-up and second runner-up eh. Pero sa grand winner, 30,000 pesos. Both school category and open category. Wow. Okay? Gawin yung 6 yung member para tagpa 5,000. Mathematics na, no? So again, it's gonna be on August 16. Everyone's invited to join. Join us as we celebrate the 78th Feast of San Roque Caracol Festival. Ayan. Speaking of Optimize, sila Ma'am Jane. Ayan. May binigay sa akin na job opening. Sa mga naghahanap ng trabaho, ha? CML Realty is hiring. Okay, join our team. They are in need right now of an accounting staff. Okay, male or female, graduate of BS Accountancy. Ayan na naman yung pronouns, no? Male, female, he, she, them, they, zez, and a whole lot more. Pero this is job hiring, so let's be proper. Male or female. Doesn't matter what you believe in or basta alam mo na ibig sabihin, okay? However which way, lalaki o babae, pwede mag-apply. Graduate of BS Accountancy, honest, flexible, trustworthy. If you're honest, you're trustworthy, of course. Knowledgeable in accounting works, strong mathematical and analytical skills, computer literate, proficient in Microsoft Word, Excel, Google Sheets, good interpersonal skills, excellent oral and written communication skills. Related experience is an advantage residing in Olongapo City or Subic. Submit your CV at HRDMJ. Oh, may extra J, ha? HRDMJ. Gatdulan with an N, okay? Sa dulo at gmail.com. Ayan. O, email na, okay? Submit your CV now, all right? CML Realty is hiring accounting staff, okay? And aside from that, we have job openings for you posted also at the SBMA Labor Department Facebook page. All of them nandoon, no? Hindi ko na basahin isa-isa. Dami. Maraming trabaho. Dito sa Subic Bay Freeport, marami talaga. Yes. Just look it up on their Facebook page, SBMA Labor Department. Yan, i-search nyo yun on the Facebook search box. Okay? And hi to our friends at the 18th Condominium. All right, it will be it's open. Okay, they're accepting inquiries. What else? Reservations. All right. The 18 condominium is the first condominium in the heart of Olongapo City, located at number 13 Lindayag Street, Olongapo City. Lindayag Street is at the side of Columban College. Ayan, if you're facing Columban College, the campus, yung street dun sa side nun, di ba? Bago makarating ng Columban. That's where Lindayag Street is. And that's where the condominium is located. Napakaganda ng location, ha? Di ba? Malapit sa Magsaysay Drive, malapit sa Subic Bay Freeport, main gate and both gates, Rizal Gate and Magsaysay Gate, malapit sa SM City Olongapo Downtown, and a whole lot more. Marami pang iba. Okay? And the turnover of the condo units is scheduled 2025. Malapit na, ha? August na, oh, di ba? So magpa-reserve na if you're interested. The unit comes fully furnished with the bed and mattresses, air conditioning. Invest in comfort and earn money. The 18 condominium. Okay? All right, so there you have it, the invites for you guys. And right about now, here's a couple more invites coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Check out the Everyday Deals promo, okay? Happening from August 1 to 31 at all SM stores, okay? Featuring the 200 pesos off promo, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, MWF. All right? And the TTH, Tuesdays and Thursdays. Extra 3 times, wow, on your SM Advantage card points. All right? Saturdays and Sundays, get the chance to win a free 500 peso SM gift pass. All right? So check it out. The Everyday Deals, August 1 to 31. And Sunday Mass is happening at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. Every Sunday, of course, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. At the ground level of SM Central near Starbucks. Check out the SM Home Amazing August Home Sale. Up to 50% off on selected items. August 1 to September 1. And ongoing today is the Ace Hardware Lucky 88 sale. August 8 to 11, 2024. 10% off additional on for every 2,888 minimum spend via your Ace Rewards card. Okay? So check it out. The Lucky 88 sale. Also ongoing is the Shop and Dine promo. Shop and get exciting dining deals. This up until August 20 at SM City Olongapo Central. Okay? National Bookstore is having the Panalo Balik Eskwela Mo raffle promo. Get the chance to win 100,000 pesos in the raffle. Every 199 pesos spend on any items entitles you to one raffle entry. And time for me to give you the lineup of movies. Still showing, of course, yung paborito ng lahat. Deadpool. Hindi pa ako nakakanood. No? Nakapanood na ba kayo? Deadpool. Showing pa rin. Extended, mga pare ko. Eh. That's the good news sa mga kagaya ko na hindi pa nakakanood. Extended siya. And let me give you the complete lineup. Movie schedule. SM City Olongapo Central, August 7 to August 3. Okay, Cinema 1, Deadpool and Wolverine. Cinema 2, Borderlands. Cinema 3, It Ends With Us. Cinema 4, Unang Tikim, back-to-back with When the World Met Miss Provinciana. Cinema 5, Blue Lock, Episode Nagi, back-to-back with Trap. Cinema 6, Project Silence. Alright? And for SM City Olongapo Downtown Cinemas, August 7 to 8. Hanggang ngayon na lang, no? 2 days lang. Deadpool and Wolverine, Cinema 1. Cinema 2, Borderlands, Unang Tikim. And Cinema 3, It Ends With Us. Alright, so that's the lineup of movies for you. Buy your tickets now. You can buy your tickets online para mas convenient. Okay? And you can reserve the seats that you want. Okay? The seating location that you want. All right, so those are the invites. Here's a song from POD, requested song. This is Youth of the Nation, 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.